Hey, I'm Steve Gold, and welcome to 520 West 28th Street. Situated in the heart of West Chelsea, this duplex boasts 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, over 5,000 square feet of living space, and the largest terrace in the entire building. Let me give you a tour. We're standing in the late, great architect Zaha Hadid's first and only residential project in New York City. In good design, it's all about the details, and the details here are everywhere. You'll see a constant theme throughout of these beautiful curves, a curved wall, a curved soffit, and even the curves on this wall. It mimics the design of the exterior of the building. And look, it's a door too, hidden away. And truly, everything is tied in impeccably. Let me show you. At the end of that great entry corridor, you're met with a 45-foot great room with dual exposures overlooking the best terrace in West Chelsea. And it's easy to let all that southern light flood in with these floor-to-ceiling windows. With 45 feet, you have your dining area over to your left and a massive double living area over here to my right. So what's great about this great room, no pun intended, is you have this 5th bedroom, but it could serve as a great library or home office for those working from home these days. I can imagine myself making my next deal here. Best and final. This building, it's truly a work of art and architecture. Look at it. Beautiful hand-hammered steel wrapped around the glass curtain wall construction. The curves as they carry into the apartment. It's truly remarkable. And remember that secret door from the hallway? This is where it led to. It's not every day that you have a new development that has a kitchen designed by the architect. This is a Zaha Hadid designed kitchen made by Boffy. I love how the gray wood is contrasted with this shiny lacquer cabinetry, a subtle white marble, again with these curves. The consistency in this development and the level of detail, it's unparalleled. And if you're having an event or just want a little privacy in the kitchen, you have these pocket doors, which you could close it off. It's hard to believe we have only toured the first floor of this remarkable duplex. Come with me, let me show you upstairs. With over 5,000 square feet spread over 2 levels, this apartment truly feels like a home. On the top of the landing, you have this great informal living space. And remember everything that I told you is hidden here? Custom bar hidden behind these beautiful opalescent doors. The oversized primary suite is absolutely divine. You have a corner exposure, floor-to-ceiling windows, and it gets this great southeast light that pours in literally all day long. And my absolute favorite part of this primary suite is its own private covered terrace. And getting out there, it's as easy as pressing a button. Thanks for joining me on this exclusive tour inside the Zaha Hadid residences in West Chelsea, where art meets architecture.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?